The screen shows a split view. On the left, a simple product photo of a wireless earbud. On the right, a professional-looking 60-second video showing the earbuds in various use cases, someone running with them, someone working in an office, someone commuting. The text overlay reads, "From photo to pro video in 7 minutes." The video plays smoothly with transitions and background music. Today, I am going to show you how to transform any product photo into a professional demo video using Runway Mail's Gen -2 model. No camera needed that. No editing experience required. Just AI. This method works for physical products, digital products, even services. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to create compelling product videos that actually convert viewers into customers. First, sign up for Runway ML at runwaymail.com. Select the Gen -2 model from your dashboard. Upload your product photo. Make sure it is high quality and well lit. Now, here is the key prompt that makes magic happen. Show this product in 3 different real-world use cases with smooth transitions between scenes. Use dynamic camera angles and natural lighting. Add a subtle background music that matches the brand. This prompt tells the AI exactly what you want while leaving room for creative interpretation. After generating your video, you will likely want to make small adjustments. Use Runway's image-to-video feature to enhance specific scenes. If you need to change the background, use the green screen effect to isolate your product and place it in any environment. For text overlays, use the caption feature to add your brand message. Remember to keep your video under 60 seconds. Attention spans are short, and you want to keep viewers engaged. Let us see this in action. I will take a photo of this smart water bottle and create a complete demo video. First, I upload the product image. Then, I use my prompt. Show this smart water bottle in 3 different real-world use cases with smooth transitions between scenes. Use dynamic camera angles and natural lighting. After generation, I add a text overlay with the product name and key features. The final result is a professional-looking video that showcases the product's benefits in just 7 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the subscribe button for more AI tools tutorials. Drop a comment below with what product you would like to turn into a video next. And do not forget to check out our next video where we will be discussing the latest trend in AI video generation that is about to change the game completely. Sneak peek: next week, we are diving into the shocking truth about AI video pricing models, which platforms are secretly overcharging you, and which ones offer the best value in 2026.